Yeah, I have Nissan Pathfinder 2013. I'm going to change the visor. Then you're going to see how to change it. Easy, because that's the only problem the car have. Most of the problem that car have, that's a visor. Let's go check how to do that. Nissan Pathfinder 2013. I have the thing over here. You gotta pop it up. Put the screwdriver over here. You pop it up. Now you use system bolt. Then you try to open it up. You open over here. Try to open it. You're gonna see. It's easy to open. Yeah, screws could just come like that. Take it off. Put it back. Then you pop up like this. Easy to come out. See?
Okay.
Okay. Then let's go try how you pop it up. Let's go. That's the thing over here. Now we're gonna try to open. It's easy to open. It's easy. You just pull the screwdriver over here. You put the screwdriver between over here. Then you gotta pop it up. Then you have a screwdriver. You see over here. Then you pop it up. You just pop this. It's easy. See? You open like this. See? Just open. See? Everything just pop up like this. It's easy to open it. See, everything open, you see? Then, see, it's easy. It's like easy stuff. Then you pop up. Working over here. It's a little hard, but it's gonna work. Okay, everything only pop up. Okay, now, see the problem the thing have, this thing broke. Most of the time broke over here or broke over here. The other one broke to the other side. This one broke to the other side, broke to on the right side. This one's the other this side. But what I try to do right now, I'm gonna use the zip tie. Watch me a second.
No, I brought something.
I'm going to use the zip tie. Then I'm going to put it in the needle over here. Go all the way to over here. Very quick. Then I'm going to tie this over. Then I'm going to put the glue. Put the glue over here. I use 2 glue. Then I mix it up. I put it in some in the needle over here. Put some on top over here. Then I'm going to zip tie both. Then as soon as I zip tie, it comes hard with the glue. and that's everything work perfect. Then you're gonna see just now what I'm gonna do. Try to put the glue. First of all, you gotta make sure you don't dirty your visor. You gotta make sure you put something to cover over here, because sometimes if you use the glue gonna try to damage your not damage, but do the little tint on the thing. You don't want that. Just gonna mix this, the two glue. Yeah, white and the black. And you put it. They said this in auto zone. So called C steel. You mix it up. White and black. You mix it up like this. And like this. And you mix this. Come like a rubber. From now, you're gonna put this, because this broke. See that part broke. You're gonna try to put some on. We saw some in the middle over here, because we want to make sure some over here. That's the broken part over here. Over here, we're gonna put it back. Everything. You're gonna put this back. Then what you're gonna do, then you're gonna put the zip tie underneath. Put the zip tie underneath like this. Screw. Then you're gonna try to put this. Try to put this, because this broke. And try to put the zip tie underneath. See over here, we're gonna put the zip tie underneath over here. Over the thing.
You know what, you should put the zip tie first.
Make sure you put everything this way. Like this. Tie it up. And then the other one. You do the other one same way. You got broke all the time. You put it this one this way. Put it underneath like this, and tie it up same way, because you don't want to dirty your visor. That's why I put the thing over here. See, otherwise it's not going to be dirty. Okay. Then you try to zip everything down and see, but check inside.
Mm-hmm.
Come. See what the zip. Yeah, see, it go down, see? And try to pull it out. So you can see inside the zip work good. So the zip just tie everything. At the same time, we don't want anything dirty. And then after you zip tie the stuff, it tie this, you know. Make sure everything tight. I gotta make sure my zip is very tight. See? Tight, very tight. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut. I use something, scissor or knife or whatever you want. You have it. Yeah, you cut this. See, I cut it. Then easy to pop up back, because it's easy to pop up. You see those things, you gotta pop it up back. You're gonna go this place same way. You take it off, you see? It's like a bread. Just pop up like this. You can hear. Okay. You can hear, you see? Okay, now it's strong, see? Okay, now it's strong. So let's go put it back. Let's go put it back. Put it back. It's easy too. And now I got that 2 screws. Then you see the thing, you just put it back like this. Oh, easy. See, then just use the finger, make sure it's turned first. The other one same way. Then try to. It's easy, you can do that. That's the only problem in Nissan. They have the visor always broke every car. Yeah. Okay. See, it's strong. Now you see, it go all the way over here, tight. Everything perfect. You drive, everything perfect. Then after that, you use this. Then use the cover, or just clip over here. Then done. Thank you so much to see my video.